Hello, colleague. How are you? Really? How are you? As speakers, consultants, influencers, we often show up and put on our best face, of our best selves, and even when we're feeling far off that mark internally. In conversations with our colleagues, whether it's via Zoom, in a Zoom chat, during virtual meetings, or maybe we're stealing a quiet moment away with a trusted friend when we finally have a chance to meet up at a meeting somewhere along the way on the circuit. But I ask you, what are you not sharing? Being an entrepreneur and career professional can take a toll on us. We have client deadlines and travel, and we manage teams, and we are creating content. And there are pressures to generate income. Meanwhile, we're balancing family and personal commitments. It's a lot. I want you to know that I see you and I feel you. And I want to offer you a space where you can put down the many hats and all the plates you're juggling, a place where we've carved out a space in those busy lives we have to learn strategies for retaining our health and our vitality, a place where we can recharge. This virtual workshop is created for you, and I hope you'll consider joining us at the Healthy Speaker Workshop. You can visit thehealthyspeakerinitiative.com for more information. The cost of this 3-hour virtual learning opportunity is a $50 tax-deductible donation to my favorite cat rescue, Fearless Kitty Rescue. The instructions are on the webpage, or you can email me to learn more. info@thedentalspeaker.com. You've got this, and we've got you. Together we can move forward and accomplish more, all while feeling better, with greater energy, a healthier body, and enjoying this life to the fullest. I hope to see you at the Healthy Speaker Workshop. Be well and be you.